We're getting new information regarding a situation with a Hoover bus driver this morning.
Yeah, a bus driver was assaulted and a man has been apprehended. We have our Michael Higdon following this breaking news from the desk. Michael?
Yeah, we just got information confirmed with the Hoover City School District and police. Apparently a man acting erratically attempted to enter the bus at the school bus stop on Summer Place Parkway at about 7:30 this morning. Police say the bus driver followed protocol and took swift action to secure the bus and notify Hoover police. Responding officers quickly found the suspect and took him into custody. The bus driver sustained minor injuries according to police, and no students were involved in the incident. The suspect is not believed to be a resident of the nearby apartment complex or associated with any students riding the bus. The incident remains under investigation by detectives. That suspect is being held in the Hoover City Jail and will be identified after formal charges are obtained.